Assalamualaikum. Hope you're fine and must have watched our previous videos. If you are new here, then please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. In this video, as you will see on the screen, I have brought some different coiling jewelry designs for you guys. These cheap coiling designs are very lovely and attractive. Guys, you will love being able to create your jewelry at home and make even more beautiful and creative. Just like other craft and decorations that you have seen in our previous videos that can be easy to make at home, they are also very practical and far more simple to make at home. So you must try at home and make these jewelry by yourself. These designs, as you can see on the screen, are very easy to make by yourself and at home. These designs you can make by using the coiling tools, or even you can use hair comb for making these patterns. For making these patterns or the jewelry designs, you only need the paper strips, the coiling tools and the glue. That's it, and you are done. These strips are easily available in the market, but if you don't find these strips, then don't worry, very easy to make at home. You can cut any colorful paper into strips with the help of a scissor. You can check out how many of these cute and charming ideas you can make with the paper strips. These ideas are very lovely, and you can make your jewelry by your own. And you can see in the video that the jewelry is very awesome and stylish, and you can create with your own hands. They are the tips that can help you creating with your jewelry and beautiful jewelry. Do mostly these items if you love jewelry and you love wearing homemade jewelry. Then these are the best options to make your own jewelry at home. Everyone will love the ideas, and you will get lots of praise for the confection. Please do try these ideas at your home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be waiting there below, right below the video. Take care. Bye.